So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can back up the WhatsApp chats of your smartphone. This is very important in order to save the chats in case your smartphone gets formatted or lost or in any case. So all you need to open the WhatsApp and open the settings section in your WhatsApp. Once you open the settings of your WhatsApp, you need to go to the option of chats. It is just right there at the fourth number. Click on it, and after opening this you need to scroll down to the lowest, and here you'll find an option of chat backup at the last second. You can see it is just right there, and after clicking on it you'll see an option of backup history, likewise the last time I've backed my data. And from here, after opening this, you need to select first the Google account in which you want to back up the data. Once you select that, it will consume your Google Drive space as well, which is given to you the free 15 GB. It will occupy that space in order to back up the chats. Once you select that, you need to click on the backup option, and after clicking on it, a process will start and the chats has been now started to backup. It by defaultly backup the images and the documents, and if you want you can backup the videos as well. So that's a very quick and helpful tutorial for you. I hope it would be interesting. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.